Can you solve this exponential equation? Now, it is actually very, very simple. It might look kind of tricky, but it's very, very simple. How do we solve this? We are going to use the UniFiX strategy. What is the UniFiX strategy? The UniFiX strategy is by using mathematical laws and principles to unify the given variables, the different form of the variables, unify them. Now, when we look at the form of the variable x above, x here is a power, x here is also a power. That's nice. But now the denominator of x here is 5, the denominator of x here is 10. We have to make them unified. So how do we make this denominator 10? Now, of course, to make that 5 10 is to multiply 5 by 2. That's normal basic idea. But we can't just take 2 from nowhere and multiply 5. But we can use algebra, normal principle of algebra. That is multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, 2. So we haven't done anything strange because 2 cancels 2 and as if nothing happened. Okay? So here I'm going to write this as 3 raised to the power x times 2 all over 5 times 2, then plus 1 over 3, 3x over 10 equals 84. Okay, so let's continue. 2 times x here will give us what? 2x. I'll give us 2x all over 5 times 2 give us what? 10. Then plus 1 over 3, 3x over 10 equals 84. Now you can see that we are now kind of close because we have 10, 10, x. But what we did came at a price. What is the price? We have introduced 2 to the power. We're going to rewrite this as 3 raised to the power x all over 10 all raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 3, 3 raised to the power x over 10 equals 84. Now I haven't done anything strange here because 2 times x will still give us 2x over 10. Okay, we just tweak it a little bit. Now we now have perfect symmetry. They're now exactly the same. The two variables of x are now exactly the same. Now we're going to simplify. Now how do we simplify? We simplify by substitution. We say let 3 raised to the power x over 10 equals y. Can you see? Let it equals y. So here now we're going to have y squared plus 1 over 3y equals 84. This has led us to a quadratic equation. Now before we continue, let's multiply through by 3. So we have 3y squared plus 1 over 3 times 3y equals 84 times 3. So we're left with 3y squared plus y equals to, now 84 times 3 is going to give us 252. We're going to have 252. So then rewriting this, we're going to have 3y squared plus y minus 252 equals 0. Now, can you see that we have broken this down to this? So then finally, we are going to solve this quadratically. Okay, you can use any method you like. You can use factorization method or quadratic formula, whichever way we do it. So when we solve this quadratically, you see that y equals negative 9 over number 1 over 3 or y equals 9. Okay, so now let's use our substitution. Don't forget, y equals 3 raised to the power x over 10. So instead of y, we have 3 raised to the power x over 10 equals to negative 9 1 over 3 or 3 raised to the power x over 10 equals to what? 9. Now when we look at this, we know that this one is mathematically impossible, okay, because there's no how we can have a negative number here. There's no value of x here that will make this place negative, okay, except maybe when we use imaginary numbers. So this is out of it. That means we are left with only the solution, which is 3 raised to the power x over 10 equals what? 9. So we can express 9 as 3 raised to the power 2. We have 3 raised to the power x over 10 equals 3 raised to the power 2. So 3 cancels 3. We have x over 10 equals 2. Then finally, we now have, by cross multiplying, now have x equals what? 20. Our final answer. Very, very simple. So that is not hard. Please, if you enjoyed this video, try to like and subscribe, comment, please, very, very important, as a way of supporting me. And if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe. So thank you very much for watching. Till next time, bye.